Bonjour and welcome back. Yesterday we learned food and drinks. Today we are learning something you will use constantly. How to tell time in French. So let's get started. So let's start with the key question. What time is it? So we say quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Which means what time is it? To answer, you say il est. For example, il est 3 heures means it's 3 o'clock. Il est 3 heures. So you can repeat after me. Il est 3 heures. Let's repeat these together. Quelle heure est-il? Il est, il est 3 heures. Great job. Now let's add some useful time phrases. Est demie, which means half past. Est demie. For example, il est 3 heures et demie. Il est 3 heures et demie, which means it's 3:30. Il est 3 heures et demie. Et quart, et quart, which means quarter past. Moins le quart, moins le quart, quarter to. Let's repeat these three together. Et demi, et quart, moins le quart, et demi, et quart, moins le quart. Excellent. Let's practice full sentences. Repeat after me. Il est 2 heures et quart. It is 2:15. Il est 5 heures et demie. It's 5. It's 5:30. Il est 8 heures moins le quart. Il est 7:45. Wonderful. You just told the complete time in French. Let's do a quick review. I'll say the phrase in French. Try to remember what it means. Quelle heure est-il? That's what time is it? Et demi? That's half past. Et quart? That's quarter past. Moi le quart? Quarter to. Bravo! You now know how to ask for and tell the time in French. Try telling the current time in French right now, wherever you are. À demain. See you tomorrow and for another French lesson.